Thank you.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Buys You video, where we go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and see what we got for it. Today's store was requested by a lot of you, and that is Walmart. I will tell you, I went online to walmart.com to look for clothing that way, and it was a little bit tricky because any results that you get, it's not going to only be Walmart selling these pieces of clothing. There are a lot of outside sellers as well. In fact, I saw a couple of items there from sellers I've seen on Amazon.com. So what I did in order to filter that out, I checked the box to the left that said free in-store pickup, which either meant that they had it or they could mail it to the store near you. Now, Walmart is not that near me. And for that reason, I don't go to Walmart that often. We have a Target very close to us. In fact, 2 Targets closer than the one Walmart that I went to. Anyway, I found going to Walmart was a much easier way to shop. And I also found some of the items there that I saw online, but for less expensive in store. I made the mistake of bringing my family along to shop with me. It's not like I have one child, it's like I have 2. A teenage baby and a husband baby. While I was trying to seriously shop for this haul, they kept bringing me outfits, hoping that I would choose that for my haul. But I ended up with what I think is some pretty good stuff, so let's take a look. All right, here we have the 2 bags of items that I purchased. I'm gonna start with what I chose first. The first thing in my hand at Walmart was this dress. I am a big fan of this color, and that's probably why I own so many pieces of clothing this color. But it is this is called something. It's not ruching, it's something else. What is that? Anyway, here it is. It's a long dress, and I liked the fact that it had a large panel on the midsection that was sort of sucked in. So if you have a waist to speak of, why am I folding it? I've got to put it on. Okay, wait. All right, I backed the camera up a little bit so you could maybe see more of what's happening. Let's put this on. Okay, the length is good. I'll show you that in a second. This frilly stuff I don't know about. I feel like I have wings. But it fits well around the waist. It's a size medium. And online this dress was, I want to say $12 or $15. In the store it was $9. Of course dollars. It was 9 yen. Pesos, euros, pounds. It's not bad. What if in the summer I wanted to, hey, what's going on here? What if in the summer I wanted to put this on after being at the beach? Go out for a little dinner. I like it. I believe I'm keeping this, especially for $9. Yeah. Okay, next. Although my family did bring a pair of jeans or 2 over to me to decide if I wanted to purchase, I actually, oh no, my husband brought me these. Yes, he did. What a good boy. These are size 8 Time and True jeans. They were not on sale, and they were $14.94. I really hope I like them because I could use a pair of jeans. Just kidding. Now with the jeans, I chose 3 shirts. Actually, I have another pair of white jeggings to try on with these shirts. These 2 are the same style. This one, I realized later, is a sort of Aztec pattern, and this one is, of course, floral. When I was looking at these blouses, I'm not calling them blouses because they have that sort of fabric. I looked at the price tag. $5.88. $5.88. Okay, so I'm gonna try on these 2. I'll be right back. I usually go that way, but I'm gonna go this way. All right. As usual, please ignore my bra straps. I don't know what kind of bra you would wear under this. I mean, of course, strapless, but what kind of bra I would wear under this? Strapless, I don't know if I can do it. So the zipper ends really far away from the middle crotch area, which to me, I'm not used to. I don't think they're flattering at all. I liked the fact that they had a few holes and a little bit of paint splatter. This is all wrong right here. All wrong. And ew, it's, no, not for me. So I'm gonna take these jeans off right now because, no. I'm assuming that these are going to be better. I don't know, it can't get worse than what I have on. These are also Time and True, $11.94, which I will try on with this Aztec number and this floral. Well, this top fits a lot tighter than the floral one of the exact same style. Oh, I don't know what to do about these pants. Okay, you're all ready to see these white, skin tight jegging pants? I'm not. I can't do it. I would rather have a pair of white jeans, real jeans. Too tight. And a light color like this, you can see every, you know, lump and bump and crease. So we don't want that. I do have high hopes for this tank top that I purchased. It's a white wife beater. And actually I'm gonna try this on with that skirt, but this is too small. It's choking my armpits. My armpits are saying, oh. Okay, so the white tank top is good. It's as good as any white tank top needs to be. And I put it on with this black skirt that has a handkerchief hem. And the length is good. And I've been telling you guys, I've just been looking for a black skirt. I think this one will do. So the waistband is elastic and I can put it anywhere I want to, and I think I'm going to choose to put it right there. But it is long enough for me to put higher if I want to, which is great. And from the back it looks the same as from the front. Good skirt. Let's try this on. I have no idea what prompted me to buy this. Let's tell you how much this skirt is. The skirt was $15.87 and this top $10.88. Very random numbers. Maybe we can just put this on over my tank top. It's like I have a bib on. You know? It's the shape of a bib. Do this. Yeah, I don't like the perfectly circular collar. Oh, and it's in the back too, isn't it? I don't like it. Okay. Lastly, we have this dress that I literally picked up on the way to the cash register. Here it is, just like that. I don't think I'm gonna love the see-through part on the bottom. I picked a lot of floral stuff, 3 floral things, and so far I'm keeping 0 floral things. All right, let's try this. Oh, let's do it this way. I don't know. It's a high waist. If I suck a lot of air in, it becomes really tight. It's a medium as well. And it was $14.92, very inexpensive. The bra might be ruining it for me, but yeah, not the only thing ruining it for me. This slip is weird. I understand you need a slip because, you know, otherwise you see right through it. There's the back. Whoa. It's not bad. It's a cute dress. It fits well. It's soft. It's $14. I have to go look in a big mirror. Goodbye. I'm gonna have to think about it. What do you guys think about it? I'm gonna put on, that's everything. I'm gonna put on what I had on before. Okay, bye. So let's go over what I think I'm going to keep from what I tried on first, which was, oh, the orange dress. I like it. It fit nicely. It was very comfortable. I think that if I was unsure about whether or not to keep it, the price tag of $9 sure helps me make that decision. The jeans, no. The jeggings, no. Those 2 blousey spaghetti strap style tops. The black and white one was too tight. Floral one was very bright. And I just don't know if I could wear a brassiere underneath. Brassiere. The black skirt and the white tank top are great. The floral top with the bib, no. I don't know. I saw it on the hanger. It looked cute. But once I put it on me, bib. And lastly, that floral dress. I think It didn't fit well on the top, and I didn't love the whole slip and then see-through on the bottom. And that thing was really hard to get on. Much easier to get off, but I was like a contortionist putting that thing on. So I didn't completely strike out at Walmart. I think there are 3 pieces that have possibilities. But for now, that's it for this What $100 Buys You at Walmart video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I know I did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos.